The figure on the right consists of 9 cells that are triangular, square, and hexagonal. Konstantin wants to write the numbers from 1 to 9 in the cells. The product of the numbers in 2 cells that have a common side should not be greater than 15. In how many different ways can he do this? When we get this kind of problem, we can simply start by trying out of some numbers. Once you do that, you will begin to get a feel for it. Because after you reading the text, if you put all the information only in the head, you will have difficulty to start. So for example, we just start to try filling any numbers or first 3 cells with 1, 2, 3. Then you will quickly realize that wouldn't work, because no matter how you arrange the remaining numbers from 4 to 9, the conditions cannot be met. Doing this trial step, it's useful just to get familiar with the rules. Once we understand the rules clearly, we can begin to think more strategically. The center cell shares a side with all 6 squares, so it must be 1. If it would be 2, for example, 8 and 9 must be in the middle triangle positions. But the triangle shares 2 sides with neighbor cells. The product of 8 or 9 within total 4 different numbers must be bigger than 15, because since 2 cross 8 is already 16, the 2 is the second smallest number. So the center must be 1. So after placing the 1 in the center, we can already fix 8 and 9. Since 1 is the smallest number and 8 and 9 are the largest, we want to place 8 and 9 in positions that don't share any side with any other cell, except, of course, besides 1. So the left and right position are the best spots for 8 and 9. If we put 8, for example, any other place, the smallest number is 2, so 8 cross 2 is already 16, so it will not work. So the 8 and 9 cannot be at any other place besides that left and right. So we just put 8 at the left side, right side to be 9 for now. Now we already can place 2 and 3, because in the middle you have to put the smallest number, and otherwise they also will be greater than 15. So they must be in the middle triangle area, so it's the 2. So once we fixed 2, then the best we put 7 or 6 near to the 2. And then we can fix the 3 in the middle. There must be 4 and 5 beside it, 3. We just leave it like this. So now we have to count all the valid arrangements. For example, we can switch 4 and 5. This is already have 2 possibility. Just keep the other same. So it's already 2 possibility. If we switch 8 and 9, of course, another 2 possibilities. Then we switch 6 and 7. We get 2 more possibility. And if we switch 3, 4, 5, and 6 to 7 up and down, we will get 2 more possibilities. So which means we have 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, we got 16 possibility. So in this way, we can get the answer is C.